In 2023, we came up with the idea, let's explore whether we could lease a facility in Des Moines and manufacture some of our products in Des Moines. We were dealing with challenges that are frankly similar to what we're once again dealing with now, and that is we had the good problem that demand outpaced our ability to supply to that demand.
You know, we didn't know what was going to happen, and it's been awesome. We have an amazing team. They've done a fantastic job. They have built more cutting-edge product as well as whole goods to really win over some of our customers and our dealers. We knew we couldn't stay in that building forever. We had to do something on our own.
We've purchased land in the Des Moines Metro, specifically on I-80 near Bondurant. We're going to build a 300,000 square foot facility, which is approximately triple the size of our current facility in Des Moines. Even though Pella will always be the center of the Vermeer universe, continuing to build out our footprint in Iowa is important to us.
So we're excited about the chance to buy land, to build a facility that looks like Vermeer. We've got a lot of growth, we've got a lot of demand, and excited about having a team that can take on more. This is Vermeer Des Moines.
Building for more.